It's why didn't I go charge? Okay, sorry about that. I had to go get my. It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm here with we're here with another video. My cousin. Oh, I made it first place. Okay, guys. So let me tell you something. Oh, something first. I got supermodel. Oh no, Barbie. Ugh, I hate Barbie so much. I really do hate Barbie so much. If I take her, I don't know how I got oh, I got it just in pink. Ugh, this is the worst nightmare ever. I hate this so much. I got this now. Oh, search for item, item. Pink. Pink so much, guys. Really nice face, like. Oh, I gotta get my pink. Gotta get my pink back. Gotta get pink. Guys, no. This is so nightmare. You see this? This is amazing. Okay, guys, if you like this video, I'm not about to end it, but without going on after everybody, make sure to know I'm gonna say you already alright. Okay, I'm gonna just start my intro, or whatever you call it. I'm not voting. Okay, if you like this video, make sure you give this video a put my face in it. Comment down below if you think I want. Comment hashtag JazzySquad, and this is the end of the video.